today. Today we'll start the lesson 1, computer. Everybody know computer is a machine and it can make our work very easy. Nowadays computer at everywhere is computer is there because of it makes our work easy and it can do many activities. Computer runs through the electricity. That's why we are telling computer is an electronic device. We can do various things using computer. What are they? Drawing pictures, typing letters, solving sums, listening music, watching movies and cartoons. Okay, so these things we can do through the computer. One learn more is there. Robots are the machine that work like human being. Robots is controlled by the computer, but some works the robots can do like human beings. Got it? Now come to the another point, computer and man. Nowadays computer and man mostly same. Okay, most of the works whatever man can do, computer also can do. Okay, but some things man cannot also do, but computer can do. Now we will read the lesson, then we can understand what one computer can do and man cannot do, like that. Okay, now computer is a smart machine. It is an important part of our lives. Yes, it is a very important, because without computer any official work cannot possible. If you are going for shopping, all kinds of things are doing, like billing, all the things with the computer it can possible. So at home also, whenever needed, we are feeling boring, we can listen music, we can watch movies, like this with the help of computer we can do. So nowadays, like other things also, computer is very important part of our life. Okay, now it can do many things than now humans can do. Let's see how a computer is different from a man. A computer works very fast. It can do several jobs at the same time. A man cannot work as fast as a computer. How? If I will give you some big calculations. Big calculation means you will take time, but computer will not take time. It very easily and very fastly computer can solve. Understood? And you maybe did the mistake, but computer does not make mistake. And you run your computer up to how many times, but it will not get tired. But a man, after certain period, it will get tired. Understood? And whatever you write or store in your computer, it will store in their memory. It will never forget. But a man stores memory, but he may forget it. A computer needs instructions to run, but a man works on his own. And computer cannot take decisions, but a man can take own decision. And computer needs electricity to work. Without electricity, computer will not run, but man does not need any electricity. These are the difference, but what are the similarities? Similarities also there. What are similarities? Both can collect and use information. We also need any work if you have to do means we will do the collect the information and use the information. Like that, computer will also collect the information and using that information. Both can store information in memory to use later. Whatever we are thinking or whatever doing, we are keeping our in memory. Like that, computer also storing this information in its memory. And third point, both need care to work properly. Computer also need care to work properly, and human being also need care to work properly. Got it? These are the difference and similarities. Now we will come to working of a computer. How we will do working of a computer? You know, computer without instruction, the computer will not run. So computer works on instructions. Whatever data, like means if you are writing something about your name, if you put the letters or you write the letters only, then only computer will run. So like this, we enter data in the form of letters, words, numbers, pictures and instruction into the computer. Different parts of a computer have different functions to make it work properly. So computer have different parts. Like this, different parts, through these parts computer will function and it will work properly. Understand? Let's understand the process better by relating to own daily lives. What will understand? when your mother cook food, first she will take all raw vegetables, she will take like vegetable, dal, spices, other things used by her, that are, we can say in a computer way, that are our input, raw vegetables. When these things are mixed well and cooked for some time, which is called processing. When we all put the tadka, all this masala, all will mix and cooking, that is called processing in a computer language. And when this cooked food, ready food, when we means ready to eat food, that will call in a computer language, that is called output. Understood? Three things in a computer have to input, means we have to write something, then after processing it will, some result will come, that is called output. So like this we will understand what is input, processing and output. Similarly, there are three basic steps involved in working of a computer: input, data and instructions entered into computer. Whatever, if I give two numbers, computer is taking, then processing, working on data by the CPU, means I want to do the addition, so addition process, addition means processing. Then when the result will come, that is called output, the final result obtained, that is output. Got it? Then a computer cannot work on its own, means if you will not run, if user will not do anything, computer own itself cannot do anything. So computer cannot work on it on its own and needs instruction to work. Means I gave two and 2, what to do? We have to do plus, minus, what? Computer cannot do anything if I will not give any instruction that you have to do plus and you have to do minus. After giving plus sign only, then computer will make it add. Got it? Then there are certain steps that a computer follow to perform a task. Before we learn about the working of a computer, let's learn about some terms related to it. Input, process, output, IPO cycle. The input, process, output cycle is a system that consists of input, output and the steps required to change the input into output. Okay, the component of the IPO cycle are described below. Input means I am giving information, idea, resources. Then processing, actions performed to change input into output, means what work is going on inside. Then after the result is output. Okay, then let's understand with then giving example. A pencil is taken here. The pencil is input. It is sharpened using a sharpener. Here the sharpener is a processing device, and a pencil get a sharpened and the shavings are left. Here the sharpened pencil and the pencil shaving are the outputs. Understood? Learn more. The IPO cycle is also known as the IPO model, in which S stands for storage, since a computer stores the output for future use. Means after getting result, it will not get deleted from the computer. It will store in that computer only. So that's why IPO plus S for storage. Understood? So this much I will teach you today. Then next class I will give you another lesson, other things I will explain later you. What are the advantage, disadvantage, I will next class I will explain you. So today I will give some extra questions to you. You try to do. If any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.